Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk an interesting topic. The history of number 1. It will cover ancient civilizations, philosophy and mathematics, 0 versus 1, modern mathematics. When positive was introduced, the number 1 is likely the first number humans ever recognized. Early humans counted objects using fingers, sticks, or notches on bones. The Ashango bone from Central Africa, around 20,000 BC, may show one of the earliest tally systems, essentially representing the number 1 repeatedly. Egyptians, Babylonians, and Sumerians had symbols for 1. Egyptians used a single stroke, for 1. Babylonians used a vertical wedge. 1 was used as a unit of measure, a count, and even a symbol of unity or singularity. Philosophers, especially in ancient Greece, debated whether 1 is a number or the origin of numbers. Pythagoras and his school considered 1 as the monad, the source of all numbers. While 1 represents a tangible unit, 0 represents absence. In ancient mathematics, 1 was concrete, and 0 was abstract. Today, 1 is the multiplicative identity. It leaves other numbers unchanged and is fundamental in arithmetic, algebra, and number theory. When was the word positive introduced in the history of math? The word positive, to describe numbers greater than 0, appeared relatively late in history. Europe, 16th to 17th century. As negative numbers became more accepted, mathematicians needed a term to distinguish numbers greater than 0. John Wallis, 1616 to 1703, an English mathematician, used concepts akin to positive in his works on algebra. By the 18th century, positive became standard in textbooks to indicate numbers greater than 0, with negative for numbers less than 0. Here is a fun fact. Before this, mathematicians often referred to numbers simply as effective, good, or debts, rather than using positive and negative. It is time to come to end our topic. Next, I will talk the history of 0, negative, imaginary, complex, constant e, constant pi, and imaginary I, and so on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.